Yeah, I visited in one of the regions that cultivate rice in Mbeya, Rujewa, and today I want to show you how this machine works. It's called Kubota rice harvester. So we are going to pass through these two machines, the two Kubotas that are used to harvest rice in various countries in the world. Anyway, also it was my first time, so that I believe most of you maybe you not come across this kind of the machine. So I bring you this machine. You see, first of all, I used to think this was made of iron, but I come to discover that it is a plastic. This kind of belt is made of plastic, and here there are gears that they use to rotate this belt through these rollers. You can see these supporting rollers which they help in movement of this Kubota in front and backwards. But there is one secret maybe you notice. This side there are these gears that they use to rotate the whole other rollers, you can see, with this kind of teeth like structures that they make the machine to move forward and backwards. So watch how this thing works, and then you can understand.
You all from the enemy. You're a superhero. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, ourselves.